Hey guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Italki review video. So I decided to do this video because I'm actually using Italki now as a service and I'm learning French. So I wanted to let you know what I think about it and how my experience has been since I started. So far I only really have positive things to say about Italki, and that might change in the future, but this is what I feel so far. It is a really good service. One of the things that I like is that there are so many teachers, so it's pretty much impossible for you not be able to find someone that is gonna cover your expectations and fit the profile of a teacher that you're looking for. So, like I shared in my previous video about how to learn a new language, the language I'm learning is French, and I honestly, I just started, so my French is still really poor. But let me just share with you what I did. So I did a free trial. So I took a lesson with the teacher that I got now, and I was impressed. I was happy with him, and he's actually from France. And when I set up my price, I set up between $4 and $16, and that's how I found him. But you should set the price according to what you feel comfortable with, right? You are the only person that knows your budget, so set according to your budget, and just keep in mind that if you are serious about learning a new language, it's gonna take a little while, so don't expect that you're going to just need 4 or 5 lessons and you're gonna be good. No, so this is for the long run. So set the price for something that you know you're going to be able to afford, and it's not going to hold you back, right? So that's very important. What I also like about Italki is that I can pick someone that fits my schedule. So the slot that I had available was on Friday afternoons. So this is what I went. I went to days of the week, and I picked Friday between 16 and 20. That means between 4 o'clock and 20 o'clock. That means 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. And the teacher that I picked is a professional teacher, but you might also prefer to have a community tutor, so this is a good option that you can choose that way. And one of the things that to me is one of the most important things is to pick the category. So what I want to learn is general French. But if you are actually planning on going to another country on vacation, for example, if you're planning on traveling to Italy, for example, on vacation, the vocabulary that you might have to learn is different than, it's a little bit smaller than what you're gonna learn if you're just learning in general, right? Or if you're learning for business, then it really is another set of vocabulary that you're gonna have to learn. So just keep this in mind. I like that they have this option because you can set according to what you're looking for. And here you can pick a native speaker. So this is, to me, this is crucial, right? Having the opportunity of learning from a native speaker, it's an awesome thing, right? Because you want to be able to learn how words are pronounced. You want to be able to pick that accent. You want to be able to learn as fast as you can and really do that good exchange, right, between the teacher teaching you and you repeating the words, and they're going to correct you according to what they know about that word or about that phrase or about how to communicate. So it is definitely an advantage to pick a native speaker. I would personally, I actually did that, so I picked a native speaker, and I would suggest that you do too, because there are several advantages on that. So I would do that too. All right, guys. So this is my review of Italki. Like I said, I'm very happy with the service. I don't have anything to complain about so far. If for some reason my opinion changes, I'll do an updated video for you guys just to share what's going on. But so far, so good. I think this is a great service, and if you're really serious about learning a language, this is an awesome way to do. Just using an app on a phone, it might be helpful, but does not substitute talking to someone and being able to see that person's face and exchange that vibe and that having that interaction and having if you are pronouncing a word incorrectly, that person correcting you right on the spot. There's nothing that can be better than that, really. All right, guys. So good luck in your learning a language, and just be patient with yourself. It takes a little bit, but you got a hang of it. Okay? All right. Have a good rest of the week, and I'll see you around. Thank you. Bye.